What are the most important metrics I should track in my ad console? I partially answered this question previously for the new to Amazon PPC, what to focus on. So the most important metrics, first off, impressions. If you don't have impressions, it means that you're only seeing your ads, right? Impressions is going to be the first thing. ACoS is going to be the second thing. Those are the very first things that I personally would look into. Then click-through rate, is it a high click-through rate? Is it a low click-through rate? Then it's going to be conversion rate. How do I convert on specific keywords? And then it's going to be orders. It can be high, it can be even 100%, but it converted only in one order. So is it something that we can duplicate? That is the next layer that we would be looking into now that we understand metrics. Second, how can we duplicate success? Now that I have that data, can I duplicate it? Can I create more ads that are similar to the first campaign that was successful? So those would be the most important metrics that I would be looking into.